Hey guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center, and today I'm here to talk to you about some battery maintenance products for your vehicle from our good friends at NOCO. Remove is a battery cleaner that instantly neutralizes and dissolves corrosion on battery terminals, cables, and hold downs. This is formulated to assure maximum current flow while reducing potential voltage leakage. Remove is available in an easy-to-apply 14-ounce aerosol can. NCP2 is an oil-based corrosion preventative compound that is designed to last the life of your battery. NCP2 will never dry out or evaporate, giving your battery lifetime protection. NCP2 is available in a range of different sizes, from a small 1-ounce container all the way up to a 5-gallon pail for commercial use applications. Also in stock at JB's is a kit from NOCO. The kit includes the Remove, the NCP2, as well as the battery terminal brush. If you'd like to learn more about some of the battery maintenance products that we have in stock at JB's, feel free to stop by one of our stores or check out our website at jbspowercenter.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope you really enjoyed our video. If you want to view more of our JB's content, click over here. And if you haven't already, be sure to click over here to subscribe to our JB's channel to be notified of our future content.